In this video, I shall demonstrate how to set up your UI Orchestrator to run your processes from the UI server. First, on the left pane, you will see robots, machines, processes, jobs, schedules, assets, and queues. Launch the UiRobot on your computer. There are quite a few creation steps to follow to connect your local robot to the server. First, let us create a local machine in Orchestrator. We need your computer's machine name. Go to UiRobot, click on Settings, copy the machine name, then click on Machines tab in Orchestrator. We now need to create a new local machine, which is your local computer. Click on Standard Machine and paste your computer name. Then click Provision. We have now provisioned your local computer as a standard machine in Orchestrator. The next step is to create a robot to run on a machine. Click on Robots tab in Orchestrator. Then click Add and select Standard Robot. For machine, use the drop-down list and select your computer. For name, use a meaningful name. For domain name and username, you can use Who Am I command from the command prompt to find. Click Create to complete the process. You need to create robot environments for your process to run later in Orchestrator. An environment is like a group. To do this, click on the Environments tab. Then click Add. Use a meaningful environment name. After creating, Orchestrator will prompt you to select existing robot for this environment. Add your robot created previously to this environment. Our next step is to connect our computer's robot to the Orchestrator server. Go to Settings in your UiRobot. For Orchestrator URL, copy and paste platform.uipath.com. Then go to the Orchestrator to the Machines tab and view the details of the machine you created previously. You will find a machine key. Copy this to clipboard. Then go back to Settings in your UiRobot. Paste the machine key. Click Connect. Your local robot is now connected to the Orchestrator server. You can see that your UiRobot icon is now blue. Let us publish a process from UI Studio. When connected to the server, publishing a process automatically uploads the package to the server. Your package is not stored locally now. Let us set up the process in Orchestrator server. Click on Processes tab, then go to Packages tab. The package you just published is here. Go back to Processes tab and click Add. Select the process to add and select the environment to run it. To run the process, go to Jobs, then click Start. Select the process to run and select the machine to run it on. Click Start. You just ran your process manually in Orchestrator. Since your UiRobot is connected to the server, you can also run the server process from your UiRobot.